Our learning intention for maths today is I'm learning to add numbers using partitioning. Let's review what we already know. We're going to look at the number 35 and let's put that into the top circle so that we can partition it. So in it goes. Now we know that the number 35 is made up of 3 tens, which is 30, and 5 ones, or 5 units. 30 and 5 make 35. So let's have a look at how we can add this equation. The equation reads 45 plus 32 equals something. So the first thing I need to do is to partition these two numbers. So I need to draw my two number bond circles. And in the first circle, I need to put 45. And I can partition that number into 40 and 5, because 40 plus 5 equals 45. Can you do the 32? Let's put it in the circle. Can you remember how to partition the 32? If you remembered that the number 32 when partitioned is 30 and 2, great job. Now we're going to use this information to be able to add these big numbers together. And let's see how we do this. So let's go through it again. We have our two number bonds set out. Pardon me. We now need to look at the two blue circles. These are the tens. And we're going to add 40 and 30. What is 40 plus 30? Well, I know that 40 and 30 is 70. Good job if you got that right. Now we're going to add the units. 5 plus 2. What's 5 plus 2? That's right, it's 7. So when we put these two numbers together, 70 plus 7, we get 77. And that is the answer to our equation. For more information on how to do this, stop the lesson here and watch the other video that I have prepared to help you setting out your work with some different examples. Now it's your turn. Please set up your page with the date and the IAL. I am learning to add numbers using partitioning. On the next couple of slides, I will go through the coloured maths groups so that you know exactly what you need to do. Then you will take a photo and submit that on Class Dojo. Let's take a look at those groups. Blue group. These are the equations that you will be working out. Try really hard. Questions 1 through 4 are what I think you can do. Questions 5, 6, 7 and 8 are a little bit of a challenge. See if you can do it though. I'm confident that perhaps someone in your house might be able to give you some help and you can work it out. But do your best. It's okay just to try, but I want to see that you're doing your best. Red group. You will be completing up to 12 questions. Questions 1 through to 8, I'm confident that you can do these. Questions 9, 10, 11 and 12 are your challenge questions. See how well you can do. Yellow group. Questions 1 through 8, I'm fairly confident that you can do these. But again, I've set you a challenge of questions 9, 10, 11 and 12. See how you go and show you're working. Green group. Green group, you have questions 1 through to 12. They are what I think you can do. Questions 13, 14 and 15 are a little bit more challenging, and they go up to using hundreds. So when you're partitioning your number, you will need to partition them into units, tens, and hundreds. So you'll need 3 circles to add together. See if you can do it. It's a great challenge. Now, for everybody to understand, I need to see you're working out. I want to see your number bond circles. Have fun!